What if the path you're meant to take doesn't exist on a map? What if it starts in silence, in cold vines and uneven trails, where every step pulls you away from the known and closer to something real? This isn't just a trek. It's a journey between valleys, between seasons, between who you were and who you're about to become. This is Hampta Pass. The journey begins in Manali, a town tucked between valleys, buzzing with cold wines, warm cafes, and hearts full of anticipation. At 10 a.m., you report to the Hello Hikers base camp, located just 10 minutes from the private bus stand in Manali. Here, you meet your team, certified trek leaders, local guides, and support staff, all trained for high-altitude safety and care. A detailed safety briefing is held before departure.
डे फर्स्ट आपका आज मनाली से स्टार्ट हो रहा है 6000 फीट और आज हमें जाना है 10,000 फीट। ठीक है, 10,000 कैसे जाएंगे? पहले हमें गाड़ी लेके जाएगी ऊपर तक, ठीक है, अराउंड 9000 फीट तक। उसके बाद हमारा 2 घंटे का ट्रैक है जो हमें ले जाएगा हमारी फर्स्ट कैंप साइट चिका। किसी को कोई भी सिम्टम आता है पहाड़ के ऊपर, छुपाना नहीं है, अगर छुपाया तो वर्स हो जाएगा। ठीक है, और फिर सेकंड थिंग है, अपनी मर्जी से कोई मेडिसिन भी नहीं लेनी है। वी आर मेडिकली एक्सपर्ट, हमें पता है पहाड़ पे कौन सी मेडिसिन देनी है। ठीक है, कोई डॉक्टर नहीं बनेगा ऊपर जाके।
By 12 noon, you set off toward Jobra, the trailhead tucked between pine trees. A gentle 2-kilometer hike winds through forest and along the Rani Nala stream. By late afternoon, you reach Chika, your first camp, surrounded by open meadows. Horses graze, water flows, the sky turns gold. From here on, Hello Hikers keeps you strong with 4 freshly prepared meals every day. Breakfast, a packed lunch for the trail, evening snacks, and hot dinner at camp. Nourishment that fuels the climb and comforts the soul. Morning comes softly with hot chai, breakfast, and mountain silence. You trek 8 kilometers today, following the river past scattered boulders and soft winding trails. But before the valley opens, the trail brings its first real test. A glacial river waits, untamed and loud. The water is cold, the current strong, and this is where your Hello Hikers leaders step forward. Calm in the chaos, trained for the terrain, and trusted by thousands before you. They guide every step across. Steady hands, steady presence. One step at a time, you cross, and just like that, you're through. On the other side, the landscape transforms. You enter Jwara, Himalayan dream painted with wildflowers, soft meadows, and glacial streams. The higher you climb, the quieter it gets, and the silence deepens. By late afternoon, you arrive at Balu Ka Ghera, 11,900 feet above sea level. A cold, silent valley carved by ancient ice. Tents rise against the wind. Dinner is warm and waiting, and the pass waits just beyond the ridgeline. This is the day you've been climbing toward. You wake up early. The sky is clear. The air crisp and cold. Layers on. Boots laced. Bags packed tight. The climb begins. Snow patches crunch beneath your feet. The trail rises sharply. Loose rocks, cold vines, and the sound of breath meeting altitude. For hours, it's just you and the steady rhythm of the climb. And then, the mountains part. Hampta Pass. 12,100 feet. A narrow ridge dividing two worlds. Behind you, the lush valleys of Kullu. Ahead, the vast, silent desert of Spiti. You pause, not just to catch your breath, but to let it all in. The wind, the silence, the space. Then comes the descent. Steep, raw, demanding. You cross a glacier on the way down. Slippery, but stunning. With every step, your trek leaders guide you. Calm, steady, focused. And finally, you reach Shiagoru, 12,500 feet. A cold desert valley, with mountains stretched wide on every side. The campsite is stunning. Tents are pitched just beside the river. Glacial, fast, and untamed. It roars through the valley, wild and unforgettable. Day 4 begins, with the trail calling again, and the mountains watching as you move forward. But before you leave, the river must be crossed. Just beside the Shiagoru campsite, a glacial stream roars between you and the trail ahead. The water is cold, the rocks loose, but your Hello Hikers leaders are there, guiding every step, calm, steady, and sure. And then the descent begins. A steady 8-kilometer walk toward Chhatru, through shifting rock, open landscapes, and vine-shaped silence. Midway, another glacial stream tests your focus. Swift and freezing, but again, the team moves with you, step by step, safely across. The road appears, and with it, you reach Chhatru, a quiet, rugged junction, where Spiti, Lahaul, and Kullu meet. Your journey continues on a scenic drive of 50 kilometers, deeper into the desert, into a silence that doesn't ask for words. Chandratal, the Moon Lake. Still, cold, alive with something unspoken. You return to Chhatru by evening. Tents are pitched beside the roaring Chandra river. The water flows, the wind moves, and the crew prepares your final dinner on the trail. This is your last night in the wild. The trail ends, but something stays with you. By 12 noon, you return to Manali, back to cafes, calls, and the world you left behind. Only now, you're a little quieter, a little stronger. Book your travel anytime after 3 p.m. The trek is over, but the change, that's yours to keep. With Hello Hikers, you don't just reach the pass. You walk with legacy. What began as a passion project in 2012 officially became Hello Hikers in 2016. Founded by Praveen Chauhan, who continues to lead the brand with vision, trust, and heart. Since then, we've guided thousands across the Himalayas, through Uttarakhand, Himachal, Kashmir, Sikkim, and Ladakh, with certified trek leaders, local guides, and a support crew that always puts trekkers first. We use high-quality tents and gear. We don't compromise on safety. And we never forget. The mountains are powerful, but it's the people who make the journey. Join the trail. Trek with Hello Hikers.